Turbo, and he has a very definite local connection. He grew up in Cambridgeshire, and when he was 17 years old, he came to Duxford and took a Tiger Moth flight with classic wings, and that got him hooked on the line. Typhoon served with number 257 Squadron during the Battle of Normandy. Turbofan engines, 20,000 pounds of thrust, with afterburner, giving this aircraft a top speed of around twice the speed of sound. A very high angle of attack, very nose high barrel roll there, as Turbo then positions the aircraft in for the slow pass, coming towards us at just 110 knots, and of course here making full use of the aircraft's digital fly-by-wire system. You can see there the small canard foreplanes on the forward fuselage. continuing partially in the inverted into a negative half Cuban manoeuvre. Quick Reaction Alert air defence facility from both bases, but these aircraft have been very heavily committed also on air-to-ground operations around the world in recent years. Coming in to complete his display with a hopefully spectacular departure, Flight Lieutenant David Turnbull with the RAF Eurofighter Typhoon NGR-4. Which prevented the full vertical show from being flown. We still got to see demonstrated there the Typhoon